Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back on my YouTube channel. By the way, thank you so much for helping me achieve this new milestone. I'm so thankful for you all for watching and supporting my channel. And for today's video, I will be unboxing my new phone and I will also show you how I customized it. So this is an iPhone 11, but disclaimer before we start, I'm not doing this to brag, period. This video is brought to you by Dr.Fone. But before we begin, I would like to share about this software so it can easily fix your iOS system issues without data loss. So Wondershare Dr.Fone allows you to fix iOS problems or issues such as black screen, recovery mode, white screen of death, and more. And this helps you fix iOS without data loss in just a few minutes. So just connect your phone to your PC or laptop and just follow the steps included in the website. So if you're interested, you can visit the link down below in the description box and in the pinned comment. And that is all for Dr.Fone. Now let's go back to the video. Now let us move on how to customize your phone. So I will show you first where you can easily edit your own design for your icons. So first is to go to canva.com, then search iOS 14 icons on the search bar. So you will see here a bunch of design templates that you can choose and customize for your apps. So just choose a template and wait for it to load. And this is what it looks like. So you can edit the background and the element color to match your theme. So I just changed the color of the icons to this beige color. After you edited the other photos, just download it and transfer them to your phone. Or you can also open the Canva app on your phone, then download the photo from there. And now let's go to my phone. So this is what it looks like before the transformation. So you can search for some inspo on Pinterest. Just search for iPhone 11 home screen to grab some ideas on how you can customize yours. I will be showing you two ways how you can decorate your home screen. Here for the apps, I'm planning to use this random pictures. And for the other, I will make use of the icons that I made in Canva earlier. So since I want to achieve a beige or a brown theme, I will search for some beige aesthetic photos. So I will search for various images, then save them to my device. You can also make your own widgets in Canva. So I'm just gonna use the desktop size, but I think the other dimensions also works. And I'm planning to add a memory verse in this one. So first I will search for some background, and I'm planning to use a marble background. So you can search it on the Photos tab of Canva or search some in Pinterest. So I will insert the photo, then a text to place the verse. You can edit the font and font color and also the font size. After that, save the photo. So here are the photos that I'm planning to use for customizing my phone. To change the photo or logo of the app, first is to open shortcuts. Next is click the plus button in the upper right corner. Then click add action. Then scripting, the one with the X icon. After that, click the open app option. Then select choose. So you can search for an app or scroll down to look for an app. Then click next. Add a shortcut name, so you can name it whatever you want, or if you want to have a cleaner look, you can leave it blank. Then click done. So click the calendar shortcut again, then the three dots below the done option. Click add to the home screen, then the icon. Select the choose photo option, then search for your photo on your gallery, so you can also resize it. Then click choose, and lastly click add, then done. And there you go, you already changed the logo of the app or the photo. So I just noticed from the previous videos that unlike before, once you open the app, it will open first shortcuts for a bit, then it will proceed to the actual app. But now, as you can see that there is just this short notice that pops up. To avoid duplication of the app, you can remove the app from your home screen. It will be available in your app library instead. So you can also place it back by clicking add to home screen option. I will just repeat the process to my other apps, and as I told you before, you can rename it to whatever you want. So now I decided to place those shortcuts on the first page of my home screen. So I will just transfer those located on the first page to the third page. So I will just repeat the process to the other apps. Now I will be showing you how to add some widgets to your home screen. So search Widget Smith on the App Store, then download it. After that, open the app and you can now add a widget to place it on your home screen. So I just click this medium widget first, then choose a widget you prefer. You can use the clock, calendar, photo widget, and more. Then click the theme tab. You can see some of the default themes, or you can also customize your own. So you can change the font, text color, background, and border of the widget. So I just changed the background color to cream to match the theme. And after that, click save and name your widget so you can easily identify it. So to add a widget, edit your home screen, then click the plus button above. Scroll down until you see the Widget Smith option, and you can choose from small to large widget. And after that, click add widget, and you can now place it anywhere. So here I decided to edit the apps at the bottom to match the theme. So I will just remove the app on the home screen. Here I will add another widget, and this is a battery widget from Widget Smith. so you can also change it with the widget you added. Here I decided to change my wallpaper, and I got this from Pinterest. For my folders, I will just change the names to these dots. I don't know I did that, but you can do whatever you want. So here I just decided to add some more widget. With this, I added a motivation. And there you go. Here is the final look. For my other way in designing your home screen is I will use photos from Pinterest, the one that I searched earlier. So I will just again repeat the process, then add another widget. I also changed the wallpaper to this gradient beige background. And change the background of my widget to this brown color to match the theme. And this is the final look of my home screen. And yes, that is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. So if you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to subscribe. Yes. Once again, the link for Dr.Fone is in the description box below if you want to check it out. And also, thank you so much for supporting my channel and helping me achieve this new milestone, this 15K subbies. Bye, guys.